Hey guys, more football here, and you're probably wondering, Dermona looking good today.
What are you saying?
What?
They're probably wondering why we're opening packs, because it's team of the season.
Let's go! Yeah, let's go. Team of the season. 25k packs are out. We have 200k. That means we're gonna open
8 packs. 8 packs. No.
About 8 packs. Let's get started.
We failed, man. Let's go.
Alright, first pack. Martin starting. Let's go.
Team of the season. You better pack someone good.
Oh yeah.
Come on,
to pack someone good. Look
see.
at this. Look at this. Team of the year or team of the season. Let's go.
Alright, second pack. Here we go. Randy's
Guess
going.
who's opening it?
Yeah, this is
The master of luck.
Come on, please, team of the season. Come on. Come on.
Trap.
Oh shit! I thought it was my
Trap house. Alright guys, third pack. Here we go. It's me. I got a feeling.
So
I got a feeling. Like last time. Remember last time?
He's gonna get nobody.
Me! Always me!
Yeah.
He got knocked out! Let's go! First team of the season!
Oh my! Hey.
Alright guys, team of the season, that was sick. Randy got knocked out by Martin. Now Chris's turn to open the fourth pack, so let's see what he gets.
Yeah, I'm gonna pack someone good.
Okay. Okay.
Ronaldo!
Oh. Alright, Martin!
Oh, hey, don't knock me out again, man.
Boom!
Yeah, boom!
Yeah, boom.
Boom, and we get no one.
You gotta wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One more team of the season.
Alright guys. 7th pack. I have a feeling. And
We
it's
all had a
another
feeling.
No, I have a feeling. And I have feelings. I have feelings! I had a feeling we had him. So, you know.
I don't even know who that is.
Dude, he's Gignac. He's French. Don't you know?
Alright, this is the next pack. Let's see what we get.
Come on, last
Team of
pack.
the season.
Not bad. Not bad.
And him.
Cuadrado.
Yeah.
Cuadrado and Hulk and
And no
2 Barclay players. Not bad. Alright guys, now we're opening 15k packs. Martin's going. So let's see what he can do with his bald head.
Go ahead, he's gonna help watch that.
Please give us luck.
Come on, Baldy! Come on!
At least it's a Barcelona player.
It's Adriano.
I like him. Watch this. I don't even have to look at it. They done it. Oh man.
Hey, but we got team of the season though.
I wonder who got that.
Me and my feelings. Feelings!
So this is the last pack.
Last pack. What do you think?
Nobody.
Nothing.
Wait, it's Chris! You guys are right.
It's Chris. I mean,
At least he's, you know. Okay, listen. Where's Messi from? Argentina. The guy we just got, Argentina. Basically, we just got Messi.
I mean, he's faster than bro. His dribbles are.
Alright, guys. Well, thanks for. Oh, we're not done yet. Oh.
One more gold pack for Onion.
Get it. Alright, guys. We gotta redeem it. We gotta. Oh, okay. This is.
One rare.
Missing.
If he gets something with one rare, I'm out.
I'll see you next time. 20 likes, please.
Oh.
Please 20 likes.
We didn't even get a
I'll
rare.
see you next time. I mean, I'll see you next week.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Well, we got a team of the season which was pretty good, and we had fun while packing shitty players, but
Yeah, I had so much fun.
thank you guys so much for watching.
It's been more football. See
See
you
you guys
next
in the next video. Peace.